In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shipping labels in WooCommerce. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard because this entire process begins from your store's admin area. Once you're logged in, the first thing you need to do is make sure WooCommerce shipping is available on your site. To do that, go to WooCommerce, then Extensions, search for WooCommerce Shipping, and install and activate it. This extension is what allows you to create shipping labels directly from your WooCommerce orders. So if it isn't active yet, this setup step is essential. After installation, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your store to a Jetpack account. This connection is part of the setup flow and helps enable the shipping label functionality. As you go through the prompts, take your time and make sure the connection completes successfully before moving on. If the setup is interrupted, the label creation option may not appear later inside your orders. Once that's done, go to WooCommerce and then Orders. This is where you'll see all of the purchases placed through your store. From the list of orders, click the specific order you want to fulfill. Opening the order details gives you access to the customer's shipping information and the tools needed to create the label. Inside the order details page, click Create Shipping Label. WooCommerce will then guide you through the label setup. At this point, you'll need to accurately enter the package weight and dimensions. This part is very important because shipping rates are calculated based on the package size and weight. If the information is off, you could end up paying the wrong amount or creating a label that doesn't match the actual parcel. It's a good idea to weigh the package after packing it, rather than estimating. After that, select your preferred shipping rate and purchase the label. You'll typically see different service options depending on the destination, package details, and carrier availability. Choose the one that best fits your delivery needs and budget, then complete the label purchase. Once the label has been generated, download the PDF version and print it. You can use a standard printer or a thermal label printer, such as a 4x6-inch label printer, depending on your workflow. Make sure the label prints clearly and at the correct size so it can be scanned properly by the carrier. And that's it. You've gone from WooCommerce setup to a ready-to-ship printed label, all directly from your store dashboard.